By popular request, I was told to do the video on replacing the tag light that's out. Rachel said to whoever reminded me,
thank you. Thank you. Mr.
Thanks.
Anthony, always right. Always right.
Well, we do have a checklist after we're done, so let me take you guys through this. So in the back of your 13 Toyota RAV4, you will have an inspection cover that looks like this. All right, so it's slapped in like that. And then you're just going to take some type of seal pick and pull it out. And then identify which tag light is out. I think it was the driver's side. Yeah. So the driver's side, you twist it. So you're going to twist it counterclockwise to remove the socket, and then it's a 194 bulb. And since I'm back here, I'm going to do both just for video purposes. Same thing, turn this counterclockwise, pull the bulbs right out. 194s are the bulbs. It's always good to turn the headlights on. Make sure that we don't have any problems further in the system. And then just push them right in. Wink. Now you know they work. And then you're going to put them back in. And then make sure you get them in properly. And then clockwise. Turn them in clockwise. If you don't have good hand strength, it's going to be tough for some people. For the DIYers. For the mechanics, yeah. My hands aren't working too well today. Let's do this one first.
Walk in the park.
It's a walk in the park.
Unless your hands are completely destroyed from a job you did.
Sometimes my hands just aren't ready to work yet. Like when they wake up and they're.
Last week my hands were like that.
Yeah,
I had a hard time pressing the brake pressure. What the hell's going on?
Man.
And I just chalked it up to allergies.
Let's unplug that and see if I can't get a better grip on it. My Kung Fu grip. You would think it would just go right in, right? No, not today. Oh, no, that's not it. It felt like it. No. Why aren't you going right in? All right, let's start over. They look equally the same size. There you go. Sometimes you just need to look at it so your mind and your fingers know what's going on. I'm gonna plug that back in. And like that. Well, let me show you anyway. So there's these tabs. One looks bigger than the other, but the hole appears to be the same cutout inside in the vehicle. So make sure that you can get them, wiggle into that spot. Let's try this again. There you go. And then don't force it in, as you can bend the pins. Yeah, you got more. And snap that back in. We've already checked that it worked.
60,000 miles.
Wow. 60,000 mile Canyon?
Yep.
There you go. She's bad. She's been bad for a while.
Yeah.
She's been bad for a while. And we're still working. Yay! All right, thanks for watching. Even mechanics have a hard time doing their job.